How can I fix my heat pump from blowing cold air instead of warm air?
Hello everyone. Are you freezing at home because your heat pump is blowing cold air when it's supposed to keep you warm? Don't worry, because today, we're going to tackle this problem. We'll guide you through the possible reasons behind this issue and how you can fix them. But remember, if you're not comfortable doing any of these checks or fixes yourself, it's best to call in a professional.
Is your heat pump really blowing cold air?
Before we start tinkering, let's ensure that the heat pump is genuinely not working correctly. Heat pumps don't produce hot air like a furnace. Instead, they provide a steady stream of warm air. So, if the air feels cool to your hand, it doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem. It's when your home doesn't reach the set temperature, and the system is continuously running that there may be an issue.
Is your thermostat correctly set?
The second step is to check your thermostat settings. It may seem basic, but sometimes the settings may have been inadvertently changed. Make sure your heat pump is set to the heat mode and the fan setting is on auto, not on. This will ensure the fan only blows when the heat pump is heating.
Is your heat pump frozen?
Heat pumps can ice up during the cold weather. When this happens, the unit goes into defrost mode to melt the ice. During this time, it may blow cold air into your home. Check the outdoor unit for ice or frost. If you notice heavy ice buildup, switch off the heat pump and carefully remove the ice. Do not use any sharp objects as they may damage the unit.
Have you checked your filters and coils?
A dirty filter or coil can restrict airflow, causing the heat pump to blow cold air. It's important to clean or replace the filters regularly. The indoor and outdoor coils should also be clean. Check these parts and clean them if needed.
Does the heat pump have enough refrigerant?
The refrigerant in your heat pump is what allows it to transfer heat. If it's low, the unit might not be able to provide warm air. Unfortunately, this isn't something you can check or fix on your own. If you suspect a refrigerant leak, you'll need to call a professional. Hopefully, these troubleshooting tips help you understand why your heat pump might be blowing cold air instead of warm. Remember, some issues are better left to professionals to avoid causing more damage or voiding your warranty. But, with these basic checks and maintenance tips, you'll be better equipped to ensure your heat pump is working properly. Stay warm, everyone.